How to change job preferences in LinkedIn. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open LinkedIn first and then go to your profile icon on your top left corner. Then go to settings. Then go to data privacy. And here you will see job seeking preferences. Go over here and from here you will be able to change your job preferences. So this is the section you should be looking for if you want to change job preferences in LinkedIn. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.